Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. To transfer files on all devices I'm testing, I always use Send Anywhere app. It's free and it works perfectly, so if you want to use it, go into Play Store and download it. It has to be from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. And to continue, set it up. In order to do that, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then whatever you want to in all the other pop-ups. Now you can finally hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, just pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. In last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to hit allow a few more times to access them. After selecting all of your data you wish to transfer, hit send next to selected at the bottom of an Android to continue. If you decided to send any apps, hit OK in Wait pop-up and then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on Samsung, close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Samsung's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key, type in all of those numbers before they expire, and tap on the Receive button to connect. Whatever connection way you choose, just wait. Close our ads, and as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!